Hello, personal presentation. My name is Pablo Fabian León Cárdenas. I live in the municipal of Funza, Cundinamarca. I am environmental energy student. I live with my wife and my son and work for the oil and company. Experience trade. The last vacation I went to Junín, Cundinamarca. I was there for days. I went with my wife and my son. I like a lot because I was cheap. I paid only 100,000 pesos. I like it because there were many places to visit. For example, I went to the Ararat Park, the waterfall of Sueva, and the different population that this municipality has. I returned on Tuesday morning because that's when I had to work. Recommendation: wear clothes for cold weather. Take cause of yourself at the moment of ecological exit. Visit to the Chingasa National Park. Purchase thermal pool of Junín. Go to the Ararat Ecological Park. Visit the Sueva waterfall. Visit the municipal church where the monument of the defenders of Rosario is located. The author of the different inspirations of this plaque. What you must and should not do on a trip. It is recommended to go to Junín for swim water. It is not recommended to go the rivers and the storm for the rowing season. It is advised to travel for your traditional fairs and parties in January. Avoid traveling at night because in the sector of the Páramo corn dangers. Bye.